What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. You join me saying the wind, sorry for a start about the wind, it's a bit windy today, so hopefully it won't affect the audio too much. You join me today with the Ford Focus Mark II, as you can see behind me, for a quick tutorial on how to remove and replace the rear light units. I'll do a bulb video separate, but for today I'm just going to show you guys how to remove the whole lighting unit to replace it with a new one. Alright guys, you join me at the back of the car for the rear light unit removal and replacement. That's what I do, is unlock the boot so I'm getting it. Sorry about the wind noise, it's a dead easy video this, so I'll get your boot fully open. Might get the power stuff out of the way or just leave it, it's not really in the way. And if you look at one of your back light units, look at this now, you'll see straight away, you see them dead obvious because they're rusted. There's a Phillips screw there, and a bit higher up a Phillips screw there. So first things first, you've got to get these screws undone. Now when you do undo them, don't just whip the light straight out because it has got a wire attached to it, remember. There's one out, put that somewhere safe. And then we'll look at the other one. Right, so dead easy, you just need one tool, sort of a PZ2 Phillips screwdriver, that sort of size, and medium size Phillips. Undo that, and literally a bit persuasion. Now there's two rubber sort of bungs that clip into the bodywork, so you just got to work it from one end or the other and prise them up like so. Don't pull it too hard like I said because of the wires, and you've got two connections here. Now you can either use your fingers or a flat screwdriver to get into these little tabs like that and undo the connections. It's a bit fiddly with one hand, but obviously you guys will have two hands to do this. Sometimes a flat screwdriver is best, but you can do it with one hand like so. Again, the same with this one. This is a slightly different sort of tab. You've got a little bit in the top there. And pull that and undo it like so. Releasing your rear light unit. Simple as that. Now if you're changing bulbs, all the bulbs are in the back of the unit. It's in two sections here and here. I think you'll have to undo the rest of it to get to all the bulbs, or they might just pull out straight out of there. So yeah, you've just got two bulbs, so you've literally to change the bulb. Right, what I'll do is I'll put a link at the top right hand of your screen and one in the description showing you how to do the bulbs themselves, which will probably cover the back and front bulbs. So for the light unit yourself, at this point you've got your new unit, and it is as simple as lining it back up with the wires. You can just sort of stick it loosely up here, and then you can get one clip in like so. They should sort of have a bit of a clippy noise, but I think it's just because they're old clips, they're not making any clicky noise that you like to hear. Listen, there we go, that's what we want. So it's two wires back in, avoiding the gas strut as these do sort of get in the way. And now we've got to line up these two pins, one there with the holes respectively in the bodywork like so. Clip them back in, and then it's just a case of getting your two Phillips screws back in place. That's about it for this video guys, a dead simple one on how to remove and replace the rear light units on the Ford Focus Mark II. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and maybe request your own tutorial. If there's a job you want to do on your own car at home rather than spend money on a garage unnecessarily, let me know in the comments and I'll show you how. Other than that guys, thanks for watching and until next time.